Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Tamed Wild for December. Do you want to see what's inside this box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Tamed Wild box for December just arrived. I don't know if it's just because of the holidays. It's arrived later than normal because now we're in January and I'm now filming this for you guys. So I don't know if, like I said, because of the holidays, shipping and stuff prolonged it, because I normally don't get it this late, but better late than never. We have this now. We can see what is inside of December's box. So let's go ahead and dive in. They do put this in a mailer bag that I do remove, and this is what's inside. I do love their boxes, and I tell you all the time, because if you save these for storage and you stack them up, you just see these beautiful crystals on there, which I love. So let's go ahead and see what this month brings us. When you open it up, there is the card. There's the card. And when you look inside, that's what you see. So let me move these little squigglies out of the way. Let me pull out the goods for this month. How freaking cute is that? Like, are you serious? That is so cute. Okay, hold on. Let me get this other thing out of here and then we'll see what this is. And oh my goodness, let me tell you, my man did really good on Christmas this year. Like, he did very, very well. Like, he needs to pat himself on the back very well. But one of the things that he got me was actually from a place that sells a lot of crystals. And he keeps saying now, I'm gonna have to take you there. And I'm like, yeah, you are. So I will go and get that and show you this amazing new crystal item that I have, that I got for Christmas. So hang tight, I'll show you that at the end. But I'm so excited to show you guys. I'm so excited to have it. It is gorgeous. So let's go ahead and see what's in here, and then I'll show you what that is. Now, again, here is the card. So their cards now don't kind of go over each individual one. It just has a lot of verbiage. So I normally just tend to read that later or go over like the main points for you guys. So let's just see, since I already opened up this cutie, let's look at what in the world this is. And that's another thing, since it doesn't kind of itemize on the card, I never know what is what unless they have a name. Like this one has a name on it, so I'm gonna know what that is. But like this, I don't know what in the world this is. So I don't know if that's supposed to be a dog or a llama or a camel, and it's probably not a camel, but I have no clue what this is supposed to be. So let's see if there's anything on the card, but that is so cool. It looks like it's probably like hand carved too. I don't know what kind of animal that is, but let's see here. Okay, so the first part of this card is talking about a clear quartz cluster. So maybe that's what this is. Let's see. Okay, this looks like a cluster. So this is a clear quartz cluster. That is actually so pretty. Will it sit flat? Probably. Yeah, that is really pretty. Yeah, it will sit. So, oh my gosh, I like that. And I like how you have this one little cool piece that goes above everything else, like the dominant part of this stone. I think that is beautiful. That is just beautiful. So this must be the clear quartz cluster. It's useful in Reiki, acupuncture, meditation, and other therapies that manipulate the energy center in and around the body. This stone is energized, purifying, and intuitive, but it can also be overwhelming if the energy is radiating outwards without a clear purpose or designated path. Try programming the crystal through visualization or other intended setting ritual before incorporating it into a crystal collection. So there's that. And then it says, as for clear quartz color and stability, cousin agate is famous for its swirly and balanced appearance, while the crystalline structure is radically different than clear quartz. Agate is made from hundreds of layered microscopic cleared crystals. This construction ensures a strong foundation, one that we can stand upon when things feel shaky. Whether you are unbalanced, shattered, or feeling of helpless start to creep in, think of agate as a life preserver and pull yourself to shore. Now, I don't know, I don't have an agate unless that's supposed to be, I don't think this is an agate. This is where it gets confusing for me because it doesn't just, what I feel they should do is put a picture of the item and then talk about it so you know what is what and not having to try to figure it out. Every month I'm trying to figure it out. I still love this box because of the price point and what I get, but I just wish they would revamp their cart a little bit more to make it a little more user friendly. But that's all it says. That's what I read in all of this stuff. And then it goes to your third and final crystal in this month's box chose you. Wondering why? Head over to our blog and type in the name of the stone in the search bar to learn more about the stone that chose you. So the only other thing in here that has a name would be this. So I'm assuming this is the one that chose me. So I have no clue what this is. If any of you guys know what this is this the agate then? Because that's the only two stones that it talked about. But it said that the agate is like a sister to the clear quartz. So I'm a little confused. Oh, sorry, stabilizing cousin, not sister. Cousin, agate is famous for its swirly and banded experience. I don't know, is this the agate, you guys? If you know, let me know. So I don't know what this animal is, but this is a clear quartz. So the one that is on here, this is the name, and it's what, Jadiate? I'm not quite sure. So I'm gonna have to go to their search bar and type this in, and I will see why it chose me. But there's two different stones in here, and that's one thing that I do like about this company. They normally don't just give you one, they'll give you two. So you'll have two different sizes. Sometimes they're two different colors, two different parts of a stone. So it's not just getting one, you get two. So you get to see two different styles or variations of that particular crystal. But here is the ones that I got for this month. And again, I'm gonna have to go and find out about this, and I'll drop it in to show you guys on the side. So this is the one that apparently chose me. And then we have these two guys right here. This is just so cool. I just wish I knew what kind of animal and stone this was. But maybe one of you guys will tell me, and then I'll know. And I'll be clear, it'll be clear. Okay, so that is everything that came in this December box, you guys. If you want to know a little bit about the pricing, then here you go. Now, Tamed Wild does have different types of subscription boxes. They have a Tamed Wild box, which I've tried one time. They have the Wild Crystal box, which is what I'm getting. They have the Tea of the Month Club. They have Surprise Me boxes. They have one-time boxes. They have just products in general that you can purchase from their website. So their link will be down below if you want to check out all of the amazing things that they have to offer. But this particular box is the Wild Crystal monthly box. It's $16 for the monthly box, or you can do a one-time no commitment for $19. Now the Tamed Wild box is $29, or you can do a one-time for $34. And then they do have Surprise Me boxes for $40. They have a Crystal Surprise Me box for $30, which I've done one of those before for you guys to show you. And they also have gift cards available as well. I almost forgot what I was so excited to show you guys. And then I go in my room and I see it and I'm like, oh, I was supposed to show them that. So sorry, I had to interrupt your normal broadcasted station to show you some updated information here. This is the item that I was talking about that my man got me for Christmas that I'm so excited about. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm like, an eagle? He's like, that was the cheapest one. And I was like, that makes sense then. But this thing apparently was like well over $100, so this was not cheap. So I would hate to see what the more expensive ones were. But this is an amethyst, a big chunk of amethyst that is just a beautiful amethyst on this plaque. And then the bird is like an eagle. It does come off it comes off the stand, and then it has two little holes that the feet sit in, right, like that. And he said that this is made of 3 different crystals. The purple obviously is amethyst, but he doesn't remember what the others are. And I'm like, was it like clear quartz? He goes, I have no clue. And I'm like, then what was the nose? Because the nose literally has like, it looks like a lavender and a orange line in it. Like in person, I can see like this kind of looks like it's a little bit lavender, and then it has like an orange line. But I don't know what the other crystals are that this is made out of, but this is like hand carved. Sorry, my dog had to get on my lap because she had to. So I don't know if you're going to be able to pick up on all of the different details here. I do not want to drop this guy, let me tell you. That's not for you. Get your eyes looking down. But there's all of the different lines like in the feathers. Just this whole thing is literally like hand carved. All these different lines and everything. And it's just, even in the head, like this thing is just gorgeous. So I don't know exactly how much this was. I know he said it was well over 100. That's all I know. This bad boy is expensive. It is beautiful. It is gorgeous. I have it sitting in my don't fall over. Holy moly, don't fall. I have it setting in my arsenal, like where I get ready with a couple of my other amethysts. I just put them all together, and I'll show you that right here. So that's how I have this little guy stored, and I get to look at it every single day. I just think this is so gorgeous, and I'm so proud of him that he actually went to a crystal store and purchased something that he knows that I'm getting totally into and that I'm loving. And this is just stunning. Again, I was like, did they have other birds or like butterflies or something? He goes, they have expensive stuff there. I'll take you. I'm like, okay, then stop telling me you're gonna take me. Take me there, damn it. So soon I'm going to be going to the store, and if I do purchase anything on one of my other crystal boxes, I will show you what I got. But this is absolutely stunning. I'm so glad that he found the store. He went there and he got me this for Christmas. This bird, I just wish it would stay in this hole a little bit better. It's like this other foot is not going down all the way, but that is just beautiful. So I wanted to show you that so all my crystal loving viewers can see one of my new favorite pieces that I have. So that is everything that I have for you guys. That is about the company. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this monthly box? This again is for December. And I don't remember how many more months I have on this one. I know I just renewed. I don't know if it was for 3 months or 6 months. I can't keep up with these half the time, but you know, I think I just renewed. So I know I do still have at least a few more coming. I love that I'm growing my crystal collection. They have never repeated a crystal or a stone or anything like that thus far. So everything that I'm getting from them every single month, I'm just growing my collection. So yeah. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction, it means the world, and I greatly appreciate that, and every single one of you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.